how to remove the background from an image. So here we've got a picture of a car, but it's got a white background, which we don't want. So we want to keep the car, but get rid of the white background. So what are we going to do? Well, first thing we do is you right click and we need to save the image and save it to our computer. I've already done that, but you'll need to do that now. Then what you need to do is you need to go to a website called Pixlr.com. Pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. It will appear like this. Scroll down and go to the editor, and we want to open an image from our computer and pick our car. There we go. Once we've got that, we're going to use the magic wand tool, and all we do is click on the magic wand and then we click on the bit of the image that we want to get rid of. So I want to get rid of this white bit, so I click on there. And as we can see, it's pretty much selected everything I want. If it's not selected quite enough yet, what you can do is change your tolerance to a different amount. Let's try 35. Once you change it to a different amount, just deselect and then try again. Click on there. Good. So now it's selected a little bit closer. What it's also done, I've noticed though, is it's also selected a bit of the car that I don't want to get rid of, this bit here. So what I need to do is just tidy it up with the lasso tool. Click on the lasso, and now I need to hold control. And if you notice with the cursor, the control puts a little minus there because we're going to get rid of some of the selection. So hold control and then outline, draw around, big circle around the bit that you don't want to get rid of, and there you go. There's a tiny bit there, so I'll do the same thing again, just draw a little circle around the bit I don't want to get rid of, and that's all done. All the rest of it's perfect, so now we're ready for the next step. What we do now is we invert the selection so that we're selecting all the bits we do want. So go to Edit, Invert Selection, and then go to Copy. That's now copied the bit that we do want into the computer's memory, into the computer's clipboard, as it's called. Then what we do is we go to New Image, and we tick these two bits here, these two. We want to create a new image from what's been saved to the clipboard, and we want to make sure the background is transparent. Leave all the rest for the moment, click OK, and there you go. We've just got the image of the bit that we need, which is perfect. Now what we can do is close the bit that we don't want. No, we don't want to keep that, and we can just save this. Go to Save. Change it from JPEG to a PNG because that's the type that you want. Ping, transparent, full quality, good, and then just call it car transparent and save. Good, it will save to your computer and just click save, and there you go. You've now got a fully transparent background. Thank you very much.